Hi, this is Dr. Ramu, Dean, Career Development Center, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Today, I'm going to discuss TCS Ninja NQT model questions regarding programming logic. So, you know that the TCS is going to offer two kinds of packages. One is 3.6 lakhs LPA and one more is 7 lakhs LPA. The package is going to decide based on the programming questions. The people who solve programming questions, then those people will eligible for the higher package that is called as a digital package. The people who unable to solve the two programming questions, those packages comes under the Ninja package. This is a 3.6 LPA. Today I am going to discuss 10 programming questions, including 2 programming coding questions also. Right? The first question. So, what is the output of the following pseudocode? At least 1 or 2 questions we may expect this kind of scenario. They will give you some pseudocode. Now you need to identify what is the answer for that question. Right? See, if you observe here, they given an integer n. Here, no need to worry about the programming language. Which programming language you are good. This is only pseudocode. Means like an algorithm. Right? See, if you observe here, they have a we have a one variable that is a n, right, and string s. String s means, so these are the two are the variables. These are the two are the variables. Coming to this stored one string in s. What is the string? Read, write, read and write, read and write. This is the one string. There is no space in between those two words. Read, write, right. Next, what here they did? n equal to they wrote a on function string length. Then it will give the how many characters in the given string. How many characters are there? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? There's a 9 characters. Means so n value is 9. Right? The next thing, they're going to apply XOR of n and 1. Means, so what is the n value? N value is 9. So n value is 9 means, what is the binary value of 9? So we know that the binary value of 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Right? And coming to value 1, binary value is 0, 0, 0, 1. If you apply the XOR, you know that XOR means the both are same, then you will get a false. False means 0. The both are different, then you will get a true means 1. Means, so tautology table is like this. For example, A and B, the value is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. The XOR operation is 0, 0 means 0, 0 means 0, 1, 0 means 1, 0, 1 means 1, 1, 1 means 0. So these two cases, the XOR will give the 1 and the remaining 2 cases will give the 0. Then if you apply here 1, 1, then it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So what is the answer? 1, 0, 0. If you convert into the 1, 0, 0 into the decimal format, the result is 8. Got it? So this is a one kind of a pseudocode. Definitely in the TCS paper, TCS Ninja, we may expect 1 or 2 bits, the same kind of pseudocodes. Right? Next. So, which algorithm technique is most suitable to implement to solve the traveling salesman problem? So, my suggestion is take a one by one technique. First, you can take the divide and conquer. Right? And dynamic programming. Right? And next, greedy approach. Okay? Next, backtracking. And you can try to note down all the applications of the divide and conquer. See, if you consider divide and conquer, merge sort, quick sort, right? So all are comes under the divide and conquer, binary search, right? Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming comes the traveling salesman problem, right? NQ problem, right? So all kind of problems comes under the dynamic programming. Greedy approach. Greedy approach comes under the job sequencing algorithm, traveling salesman problems, all comes under the this one, right? Backtracking, like NQ problem, all comes under the backtracking. So you just write the notes and important point like, so backtracking, write all the applications, dynamic programming, all the applications, so that, so definitely you may expect at least one bit such kind of pattern, right? And also Floyd Warshall algorithm, right? And Distrust algorithm, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, right? So which algorithm you are going to use for the shortest path? What is all source shortest path algorithm? Such kind of bits you may expect, right? So for this question, it's a greedy approach, but not like that. So you do one thing. What is that? So you should go through all such kind of algorithms, right? Try to segregate the applications, so it is easy to solve such kind of bit, right? And next, what is the output of the below code? See, this is a one more. This is not a pseudocode, right? Generally, the TCS NQT, they are going to concentrate on the C-based questions, right? Might be you are good with the Python programming. So, but the questions, if it is not a pseudocode, definitely the code should comes from the C language only, right? See, int main, they given int I value is I and j, two variables are they're taken, right? And they repeated from the loop. So initially they assign I value is 1 and j value is 1. Okay, next, and they applied the condition. What is that? So you know that the for loop starts from here, first step and second step and third step and fourth step. And so from here, see, the controller comes from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, next 4 to 2. If it is a condition, so if the condition is true, it comes to here. If the condition is false, then it exits the loop. So this is the way the for loop will work, right? So according to this, first initially I and j values are 1 and 1. Okay, next it comes to here, I less than or equal to j. So what is I value? So what the condition they wrote? I less than or equal to j. What is I value here? I value is 1. What is j value here? J value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 1 condition true. The condition is true, then it enter into the for loop, right? When into the for loop, so what is the result you will get here? The result is, so I, they printed I, right? So means it will print 1. After that, it comes to here and I value incremented by 1 and j value incremented by, decremented by 1. You know that I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. J minus minus equal to j minus 1. J minus minus means, right? Then, so apply the same kind of rule here. What is I value? I value is 2 is less than or equal to 0. Is the condition true or false? Yes, the condition is false. The condition is false. Then the result is 1 because it comes out of the loop. Finally, the result is 1 because it printed only 1. Got it? Next, what is the output of the below code? This is the one more question. See, if you observe here, int main, right? Int main, and while not 0 means not 0, it goes to true, right? So not 0 means it goes to true. Not 1 means goes to, so it's 2 means see is a or operation is there. Or means if anyone is true, the condition is true. If anyone is true, the condition is true. Then simply it comes to here. So if of not a means so negation of a. So simply just see if you apply 1, then this operator, this is a formula is there. This is the formula is there. If you apply n, then n is a positive, then minus of n plus 1, the result is. Please note this. For example, if it is a positive, n value is positive. If n value is negative, then the result is n minus 1. n minus 1. See, what is the value here? 1. 1 means if you apply negation, so minus of n plus 1, then result is 1 plus 1 means minus 2. So other than 0, anything is true in the if condition other than 0. So minus 2 condition is true. When the condition is true, it comes to here, then it print A. It will print A. After that, it executes the break. You know that when the break executes, so what happened? The loop exit. Break is used to exit the loop. Return is used to terminate the program. Okay. Loop is used to terminate the loop and return is used to terminate the program. Please remember. Right? From here, you exit the loop and comes down. Then simply the result is A. Got it? Please remember, when you apply a negation of n, the formula is if n is a positive, minus of n plus 1. If it is negative, n minus 1. That's all. Right? And coming to the next. So what is the average case time complexity? Right? So, and one more suggestion. Try to note down the time complexities of the sorting algorithms. We have 5 sorting algorithms are there. Selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort. Okay, 5 sorting algorithms and 2 searching algorithms, linear search, binary search, and Prim's, Kruskal's, Distrust algorithm time complexities. Okay, try to note down all these time complexities and try to remember. So definitely you will get a one kind of bit from those. Okay, this is a Radix Sort. So that n means you have a n elements are there and there is a k is a maximum number of digits in any number. Then simply the result is n into k. Right? The time complexity is nk. So don't waste much time to analyze all the time, entire time complexity because you don't have much time. There is just 1 minute time. So you need to solve such kind of bits. So if you are unable to find, you just leave the particular MCQ. Okay, you move to the next MCQ, next question. Right? So my suggestion is try to find out some regular algorithms. Okay, and try to remember all the time complexities, like what is the best case, what is the worst case, what is the average case of the particular algorithms. Generally, if you observe the merge sort, so in all the cases, the time complexity is n log n, right? In the remaining selection sort, bubble sort, and insertion sort, in all the cases, the time complexity is n square. Coming to the quick sort, the worst case is n square. The remaining 2 cases is n log n, right? Coming to the binary search, the best average case is n log n, and worst case is also n. But the problem is, if you want to do the binary search, the data should be in the sorted order, right? This is a reason. So don't analyze the algorithm. So try to remember the time complexities for the short time of the to reduce the time to analyze the algorithm. The next, in which stage are a master test plan and artifacts requested to be completed and reviewed in the SDLC model? So my suggestion is try to find out some questions, right? In just type in the Google. Okay, so what are the important topics are important and MCQs on software development lifecycle or software engineering? Okay, you will get hardly 50 to 60 bits, right? From there, definitely you will get 1 bit. We may expect a maximum of 1 bit, such kind of, right? Here, the answer is testing sign-off page stage, right? Don't waste much time, such kind of bits. Okay, try to go to the Google and find out some bits. And what is the output of the below code? It is the output of the below code. See, they wrote that x equal to 25, right? X value is 25, right? And x equal to 30 means 25 is equal to 30. The condition is true or false? The condition is true or false? False, right? Right? False, right? See, here, if you observe here, semicolon is there, right? When the semicolon is there, the effect of the if is terminated if immediately, means there is no effect on this. Even the condition is false or true, no need to worry. So directly the x value is goes to 50. Most of the people is going to confuse that particular point, because here they mention the semicolon. Please remember, if the semicolon is there, the end of the while loop or for loop or if condition, then the termination of the loop is goes to the particular line only, right? The effect of the line, the effect of the particular condition is not going to affect the subsequent statements, right? Here there is no effect of this one. This is the free of statement. This is a free statement. There is no dependency on the if because of the semicolon. If the semicolon is not there, definitely the remaining session, the x value is 25 only. But here semicolon is there. That is why. So the effect of the if condition is closed here only, right? And now x value is 50. Now if x equal to 25, now see, they confused. If x value is 50 is equal to 25, condition false. When the condition false, it comes to here, x equal to x minus 1. What is x value? X value is 50. X equal to x minus 1 means the value is goes to 49. Then the result is 49. Got it? The result is 49. Okay? Yeah. Next, how can you prevent the memory leak in a C? So you know that in C we have a various dynamic memory allocation functions are there. First one is the malloc, right? calloc, right? realloc, and next one is the free. See, these are the two statements to allocate the memory, right? This is the statement is used to reallocate the memory. To reallocate means either increase or decrease. Alright. Coming to free, it is going to release the memory. So why you need to release the memory? Because if you want to use this memory in the other program, then you should release the memory after completion of the particular work. Otherwise, the entire memory is going to allocate to the particular program only. That is why. So the best practice is you need to release the memory. So you know that free of pointer means it is going to release the memory. Got it? And one more question we may expect here. What is the syntax of malloc, calloc, realloc? See, malloc is going to take only one argument. Please note this. And calloc is going to take the two arguments. May have a such kind of question also. How many arguments the malloc will expect? How many arguments will calloc will expect? Right? And what is the default value of the malloc? If you allocate a memory using malloc, what is the default value? Default value is garbage value. And when you allocate a memory using calloc, what is the default value? The default value is 0. See, all these are the important questions regarding the dynamic memory allocation. Okay? And the answer is free here. And what is the output of the below code here? See, float number 2.0, right? Float number 2.0 and switch off num plus 5.0. Please note this. The switch operation is not going to perform any kind of evaluations. The switch is going to take other one pointer, right? Sorry, it's an integer value or character. Other than this, it is not going to perform any kind of evaluation like a condition checking, like the calculations, right? That is why this is the error, right? The fourth line is the error. So means you'll get a syntax error here. Got it? Switch case. There is no provision to perform any kind of operation, right? Generally, it is taken on choice. That's all, right? Take a choice directly. There is no power. There is no scope to evaluate the expression. right? That's why the line 4 is an error. And what will be the missing steps of the algorithm to search? See, they'll take a small algorithm, right? They'll miss some points of the steps of the particular algorithm, and you need to identify the such kind of steps. See, what is there here? I value is 0, right? This is the linked list program, because they mention the head, right? So ptr equal to head and set I equal to 0, right? If ptr equal to null, empty list, you know that if the head is null, then by default the linked list is null only, right? Go to step 4, go to step 8, right? You need to exit the program. Otherwise, end if, right? This is the end, and will comes to here where. So here missing steps. So if the linked list is exist, then how to perform this one? See what they wrote. If ptr equal to ptr dot data equal to item, write I plus 1, right? I plus 1, end if, right? Step 6, I equal to I plus 1, and ptr equal to next dot ptr and end loop. See here they use a if, right? If means there is no repetition in that, because you have a linked list means you need to traverse a link to link, head node to node, right? But here there is no provision to repeat the process. Comes to here, yes, the repeat is there. Repeat is there means yes, you may consider this one, and you can consider this one. Yeah, this is also repeat is there, and here also repeat is there. So one answer might be there of these 3 choices. See, comes to here, repeat of step 5 to 7. Repeat of step 5 to 7 until pointer is not equal to null, right? So what they said? So repeat the 6 and 7 until pointer null. After this step, if pointer equal data item, write plus 1, right? And I equal to I plus 1, right? These are the steps, right? And ptr equal to ptr dot next. Ptr equal to ptr dot next means where it will found, where the particular element is found. Means if ptr data equal to item, then it will print that the particular location the item was found, right? This is the reason. So this is the right answer. Comes to here, why this one is wrong? See, 5 to 7 ptr equal to, see here ptr equal to ptr dot next means you need to move to the next pointer, but here they wrote the ptr equal to ptr dot data. That is wrong, right? So what this will do, this can store the data. Suppose for example you have a data items like this, then the link is like this. See, you need to move from node to node for checking the data, but here you storing the data, right? This is the wrong. That is the reason. Next, see, until data item equal to, so this is goes to infinity when the item is not there. The reason is you need to repeat the loop until what they wrote here, until data item is equal to data, right? ptr data equal to item. If the data is not there, what happened? The loop is going to repeat, keep on, right? So you will get a end pointer exception. Okay, so null pointer exception, because it reaches the end of the node, then there is no node. Then still it is applied the ptr equal to ptr dot next means there is no node, right? Then it will show the null pointer exception. That is why these 3 statements are, these 3 choices are wrong and B choice is right. And the program. So already in the starting of the class, I told you that this class we are going to discuss the 10 questions and followed by the 2 programs. This is the one program asked in the TCS NQT exam. So what is the program here? A supermarket maintenance as a pricing format for all its products, right? a value n is printed on each product, right? So there is a n value. There is a n value in the each product. Every product has a one value, right? And so when the scanner reads the value n, so we may observe in the supermarkets, they are going to scan the product barcode, right? Like that. See, when the scanner reads the value n on the item, the product of all the digits in the value, n is the price of the item. Means, for example, the n value is 123, then the result is 1 into 2 into 3, the result is 6 rupees, right? That is the code you need to implement here. Got it? So that's all, nothing else. See, this is the program, right? See, when you observe that 52, this is the n value, 5244, right? When you apply 5244 means 5 into 2 into 4 into 4. Then what is the result? 5 2 ja 10, 10 4 ja 40, so 44 ja 160. Got it? Answer is 160. This is the way we need to write a code. Let us see how to implement the code of the program. See, what is the first thing? So we need to take the value from the input. See, the simple way I'm going to show that one. See, you just read the input value. So, see, input, then you have a on value. You know that the data which you read from the keyboard is in the form of string, right? So simply, right, next we can take the price equal to 1 by default. Price equal to 1 by default, right? And you just take that condition for I in n. Then you know that already I told you the data which you read from the keyboard in the Python is in the form of string. Then you will get a one by one character from the string, right? Right? For example, if your data is 123 means the first time I value is 1, next time I value is 2, and next time I value is 3. Like, right? So string is the collection. Then, so now I value contains a I, 1, but it's a 1 in the form of string only, right? Then here my task is P equal to P into I. Then you will get a wrong here. The reason is I is the string. So that you just convert that I value into integer. Then the result is simply you just print the P value. That's all. This is your result. See, if you run this code and so 5244, then see the result 160. Got it? It's a very simple. So don't get panic while coding the question, because might be they'll give the more theory, right? Just go through that problem. Definitely the solution is very easy, right? And we'll see the next program. This is the answer for that question. And program 2. See, an event management company, right, has come with a unique idea of printing their event tickets. Based on the ticket number combination, the visitor is directed towards a particular class of audience, alright? And the directed towards a particular class of audience, the task is to create a program or application to fetch the ticket number based on the following condition. So what is our task here? We need to retrieve the ticket number, right? And any occurrence of the digits, right? Any occurrence of the digits, EF, right? EF and 56 and G and should be deleted, right? G and G. So if you contain a ticket number EF, right? Sorry, EF, 56 and G. Any of these characters, any of these three if contains, then you need to remove the particular string. See here, 4523 EF. EF we need to remove. 58G remove. Then 452358. Right? And coming to example 2, E. So EF, not a E, right? So don't delete. 35G you need to delete. Then this is that. So EF means this should be the consecutive. Okay? Don't get separate with E and F. So both should be there. Then only you need to remove. Right? And after remove of J, so this is the string. Now where task. The task is, see, the task is, now we'll implement the program code and accept the inputs. The first input accept the value of string. So output should be the match. See, this is in the capital AZ to 09. Only these are the values it will accept. Right? Let us see. So we just take that S equal to input of, then you have a one string with you. Now the task is, it contains EFC. It contains EF 56G. It contains any of these, so you simply need to remove those things. Right? That is your task. That is your task. Right? Here I am going to find the, what is the length of the given string. The length of given string. This is the length of given string. See, for I in, otherwise I'll use a while loop here instead of this. While of I is less than L. Then it will repeat the loop from starting to ending, right? I equal to 0 initially. Now it will take the one by one character from the given string. Right? From here, so we need to check that whether a string contains G, right? So here I'm going to take the output string. Output equal to, right? Because so strings are mutable. So immutable. So we cannot modify the string here, right? See here if a string contains what it is called, if a string contains S of I is equal to G, then simply what it means, G means you simply skip that one, right? Means continue, means so it will skip the particular character, it goes to the up, right? So means I need to increment the I equal to I plus 1 equal to I plus 1, increment that one and move to up, means that skip the particular character. You know that continue means. Right? Next, elif, right? Same. If the character contains E, right? The character contains E. The character contains E. Right? And the next character contains EF, right? Okay, the next character contains EF. Then you know that if the combination of these two, simply what you need to do here, so I plus equal to 2, right? 2 characters. You need to skip the second character also. Current character, skip second character, and you press the continue, right? And else and elif, same, right? Next 56. If if the string contains 56, okay, the first one contains a if 5 and second one contains a 56, then simply you need to perform the same kind of operation, right? Continue, right? In the other cases, you simply add output plus equal to right, the current character s of I, then the result is print of yes, not is, output. Got it? See, if you run this code, let us check with that, right? 123 and yeah, somewhere we did a mistake. Input, yes. So if it is not, what do you need to do here? After copying, you should increment the I value, right? Otherwise, always the I value is same. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, got it, 123. Then see, if you run this code, so caps lock EF, right? G 56 89. Then result is EF is removed 54 5, G is removed 31 56 is removed 89. Got it? This is the answer, right? Got it? But this code might give the wrong answer for the particular case. See, I'll show you. 123 5. The reason is here you are checking with the 5 is there, right? 5 means you have to check the length also, right? So before going to this, do this one. I plus 1 is greater than L. This condition also you need to check, because otherwise it goes the out of bound exception. It will shows the out of bound exception. See, now if you observe this one, 123 5. Got it? So these are the programs. These are the two programs. Please remember, if you aim for the 7 lakhs package, compulsory you should solve at least one program. Otherwise it is difficult to get the digital package, right? The people who aim for the 3.6 lakhs package don't need to worry about the programs. But my suggestion is, it is very easy to solve at least one program. Already you have seen that the previous program, it's just 4 lines of the code, right? Definitely you'll get the same kind of programs, right? The same kind of hardness, right? So try to go to the previous papers, just check the questions. Definitely those programs will help you and will give the more confidence to solve such kind of programs. And don't panic after seeing the coding question. See, this is a very, when you observe the program, this is a very big program. But when it comes to the solution, it is hardly 10 lines of the code. And the logic is only 4-5 lines only, right? Try to solve the more programs and try to solve in the code chef, easy problems are there, right? And if you can apply the filter, try to solve the easy programs. Definitely those efforts are enough to solve the TCS NQT programs. Okay, thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.